hello, vanakkam. Welcome to the Healthy Cooking YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Moringa Leaves Stir-Fry, also called as Murungai Keerai Thuvattal. The ingredients are oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, split Urad Dal 1 teaspoon, medium size onion 1, dried red chilli 1, 4 handful of moringa leaves, salt as per taste and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Now take 4 handful of moringa leaves and wash it clean. Take a pan and once it is heated, add 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of split urad dal, 1 medium size chopped onion, 1 dried red chilli, and now saute it until the onion turns into golden brown color. So the onion has turned into golden brown color. Now the moringa leaves can be added. Guys, moringa contains rich nutrients such as iron, vitamins A, B2, B6 and C. It also contains calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. It helps to lower blood pressure, regulates blood sugar, treats anemia, diabetes, stomach illnesses such as ulcers, gastritis, and also makes bones healthier. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. So, stir fry the moringa leaves and keep stirring until the leaves shrink and get reduced to half the initial amount. So now the leaves have got nicely shrunken. Add salt as per your taste and mix it really well. Mix it well so that the salt doesn't stick to the leaves. Also, use low flame so that the mix doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now you can see that the moringa leaves quantity has relatively reduced and it is also coming up well. It is getting nicely cooked. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and give a gentle stir. And finally, the nutritious and healthy moringa leaves stir fry is ready to be served. This can be served as a side dish along with white rice or brown rice and any curry of your choice. Hope you found this video informative. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel to receive all the notifications from our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. See you guys in the next video with a new healthy recipe. Until then, stay safe and stay subscribed and thanks for watching.